ergonomic refrigerator that makes ice faster than you think? Then LG's stunningly stylish, direct cool single door fast ice maker refrigerator is just right for you. Not only does it make ice in no time, its unique features and stylish design make it the perfect kitchen companion. LG's direct cool refrigerators make ice faster in a few minutes to let you enjoy cold drinks without waiting. It has a chiller tray large enough to hold perishables including milk, butter and chicken. Food is kept in an edible form for a long time in the chiller tray. LG's antibacterial shield encloses freshness inside and keeps bacteria, mildew, and dust particles outside. So everything is more hygienic and food is less likely to spoil quickly. Moreover, it has shelves made of toughened glass that are capable of holding heavy food items. These shelves can take load as heavy as 175 kg. To maintain freshness, LG Direct Cool Refrigerator comes with lattice-style box lid that keeps moisture at an ideal level when the moisture from the stored food gets evaporated and subsequently condenses on the lattice. You can keep your green vegetables fresh for longer period. What's more, LG Refrigerator has a thicker double-lead freezer door that maintains cooling and keeps your food fresher for longer. And what wins my trust in LG is the 10-year warranty on its compressor. So get the LG stunningly stylish direct cool single door refrigerator for your home and enjoy the conveniences and style quotient that come with it.
Whirlpool presents WDE range of refrigerators. It is available in multiple variants. Classic, Classic Plus, Pedestal, Roy, and has a capacity of 184 liters. WDE range comes with insulated capillary technology which helps in up to 9 hours of cooling retention even during power cuts. It comes with an advanced moisture control knob and honeycomb crisper cover which helps maintain optimal moisture levels in your vegetables and fruits, ensuring you eat fresh every day. The two dedicated door racks can chill up to 3 2-liter bottles and 5 1-liter bottles. Easy to clean removable airtight gaskets keeps the door liner clean and prevents the buildup of fungi and bacteria. The new WDE refrigerators can stably operate even in high fluctuation of voltage, ranging from 95 volts to 300 volts and do not require a separate stabilizer. During the power outage, it automatically connects to the home inverter, thus delivering consistent cooling and maintaining long-lasting freshness. Whirlpool also offers 1-year warranty on product and 10 years warranty on compressor. Now get the WDE range using various hassle-free payment methods and add style to your everyday life.
Samsung, renowned for its innovation and quality, brings you a refrigerator that meets your everyday needs with unmatched reliability. Customized to fit your needs, it boasts an impressive capacity and energy efficiency in a range of vibrant colors. Its sleek design and user-friendly features guarantee both style and convenience. Powered by digital inverter technology, it adjusts the compressor speed for optimal energy efficiency and quiet operation, while its all-round cooling system ensures uniform cooling for every corner for added freshness. But here's what really sold me: the Cool Pack. It can keep your food frozen for up to 12 hours if the power goes out. And the shelf? It slides out smoothly so you can easily access everything, even the things at the back. Then there's the movable ice maker. Just twist it and instant ice for your drinks. Let's not miss the moist fresh zone that keeps your fruits and veggies fresh longer by adjusting the humidity. Samsung's refrigerators come with a 1-year comprehensive warranty and a solid 20-year warranty on the digital inverter compressor. With Samsung, experience reliability and assurance for years to come.